So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to market buy a stock here on your Moomoo account. So open up Moomoo, go to this bottom bar and press on accounts. Once accounts is selected, go to positions and press on trade. Now once you're on the trade screen like this, another way you can do this as well is just go to, we'll scroll up here. We'll go to where it says, why can't I find it right now, all, and then press on trade. Now once you're here, type in whatever stock you're looking to market buy. So for this example, I'll just go Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Now make sure that buy is selected. So buy is green. If it says sell, it's red. But where it says order type right here, by default it'll go to limit. Press on the drop down, press on market buy right here. Now once you market buy, you can type in the quantity. So if you wanted to buy, for example, 5 shares of Tesla stock at this moment in time, the estimated price would be $1,191.60 USD. You can go ahead and press on the green buy button right there, and there you go. That is how you guys can market buy a stock. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to market buy a stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.